Good morning from Santa Fe Resort. This is Joan of Arc. We're going to feature an Ilonggo expression. It's a phrase. Budlay-budlay kuha pa! Meaning, literally, hard, get. Hard to get. Or no matter how difficult it is, we get it. We get it done. Grabe mo nang hinasiling nga. Budlay-budlay, kuha pa. Yaj! Budlay-budlay, kuha pa. That's an Ilonggo expression that means hard to get. I don't know if there's an exact English translation to this, but let's try to figure it out. Translate it, or transliterate it, or just explain it. Budlay means hard or difficult. Literally, budlay literally means hard or difficult. So in mural painting, there are hard to reach areas that we call budlay. Sometimes we double up the word budlay and say budlay-budlay, meaning to say it's even harder, really harder, or more difficult. So budlay-budlay. Kuha pa. Kuha means to get, to obtain, or to achieve. So in this situation, it means achieve, right, Gwen?
Yes.
Achieve. So budlay-budlay, it's doubly hard, but it's achievable. We can achieve. We are achievers. So that's the expression, budlay-budlay kuha pa. This is Joan of Arc from Up the Wall and saying see you next time. For comments, do write in the comment section. Give us a thumbs up for your like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Joan of Arc saying until our next video, love you all. Mama chuchu.